StudyNest. So I'm gonna give you 6 tips to score well in MCQs like Olympiads and stuff like that. So we are starting right now. Starting now with trick number 1. Trick number says that you should never follow in a sequence. Now let's say you're doing first question, then second question, then third question. Don't do it like that. Now some people also do it like 100, 99, 98, 97. Don't even do it like that. I'm going to tell you the right way to do it. With that, let's go to trick number 2. You have to do it in a 3-step progress. That is easy peasy lemon squeezy, easy but time taking, 3 haters of students. Okay. So these all are self-explanatory, but I'm going to explain you each and every one of them for that extra little bit of clarity. So the first part is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Use your first 45 minutes of the 3 hours, if you have, to choose the most easiest questions which are not much time taking. Like let's say there's a question 2 times 2, you know it's 4, but they say 22 times 22. It's time taking but easy, so leave that out. So do the ones which are easy but not time taking, and also don't do the ones which are hard. So first go through all the questions and do the most easiest. The second part is easy but time taking. Now do the ones like 22 times 22. It's easy but it's time taking. So do that in this 1.5 hours or 2 hours if your examination is of 3 hours. So just do the ones which are time taking. The third is haters of students. That is the most hard questions, and I and you don't like them. So do the ones which the most hard and you don't even know what to do them. So you just have to put your last few minutes on them. And if you don't know the answer, there are still tricks for you. Don't worry. Let's go with trick number 3. Moving on to trick number 3, it's eliminate, I eliminate you. So first there are 2 parts of it. This is used when you are in the hard section, the third section, the haters of students, and you don't know the answer. So the first part is remove weird answers. Like let's say they wanted you to find the HCF of blah and blah and blah numbers. So the HCF will be less than the highest number, right? So let's say it's 22, 35 and 36. So it's going to be somewhere less than 24 or 24. So let's say they gave the HCF as 105. It's actually not possible. So you have to remove those weird answers which don't even have any link to the answer. So remove those first. The second is of the above, like all of the above or none of the above. Choose any exam and see that 95% of the time all of the above or the none of the above is always the correct answer. But of course the 5%, you have to check that, you have to cross-check your answer, because that 5% is always chasing you. So you do cross-check your answer. So yeah, with that you can eliminate your answer. The most important trick where people get tensed and confused a lot. The trick number 4 is the most probable answer. Now, it's a psychological thing that when examinators make exams, then they try to not put A as the answer. 95% of the time, A is not the answer. But I'm not saying 100%, but most of the time. So A cannot be your answer. Like let's say you're not sure between if A is the answer or C is the answer. It's better to go with C because you're on the safe side of the answer. Also, you can the most thing, it's on a research and it's some sort of wow thing that the most of the answers are either B or C. So if you have a confusion between some few questions, then it's better to go with B or C and then cross-check your answer. Now if you are some person like, wait, what is that? Then you can go with the safest side, B as the answer. It has happened to me also. Sometimes I make quizzes for my friends and most of the time, I don't know what happens to my brain, the answer is B. I don't know how. So yeah, B has the highest chances of being the answer according to research and psychologically. Trick number 5, the most easiest is what I've seen, and this is actually makes your work a lot easier. Use Vedic maths. This is going to save bajillion of seconds and milliseconds, which I don't know, but it will save you a lot of minutes and seconds. So go learn Vedic maths. It's going to be really helpful in competitive exams, I'm telling you. Last but not the least, trick number 6. It's where they say study smart. Use mind maps, short notes, like make short notes, and use flashcards. Use your phone wallpaper or WhatsApp wallpaper as the most important things that you seem to learn. So this is actually going to help you memorize better and learn better. Also, 90% of us get confused and get scared when you find a new question. So study so hard that there is no chance of getting a new question. So yeah, those are the 6 tips that I got from my personal experience to solve MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. So I hope this helped. If yes, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with others, and make sure you subscribe and follow my daily updates to get many more tips like this. Until the next video, goodbye.